What is going on YouTube? This is your Packing Savior bringing you yet another video of Packy Kicks. And today for you guys, I have another sneaker unboxing. I got a few pickups that came in the mail today, so we're about to open up these boxes and see what's in them. But before we get into this unboxing right here for you guys, please make sure to like button for me as well as the subscribe button for me. I'd really appreciate if you guys did that. But with all that being said though, let's get right into the unboxing. So recently I've been getting a lot of sneakers, and I've been getting them from Go, and some I've just been getting from Nike and other websites. So a lot of boxes have been coming in the mail lately, going in and out and seeing what I get. I do know for sure one of the boxes I picked up was from Go, and that was a delayed W I got on a specific sneaker that I'm going to be showing you guys. But with all that being said though, I got my scissors right here, and I got the first box with me right here, and we're going to open up and see what is in this box. So opening up this first box right here, as you guys can see, we have a little 700 spell out right there, and you guys may already know what that is going to be, a Yeezy box that says 700. So the shoe I got here states it is the Yeezy 700 V3, and as you guys can see over there, I got a size 11.5. And opening this box up, we have the Yeezy 700 V3 in the Kanye colorway. Now this was a Yeezy model that I did want for a while. I do know a couple months ago, last fall, I was able to get the Arzareth colorway, but unfortunately that was a size 11, and I didn't know how the sizing of the sneaker worked. And when I did put that shoe on, it was really tight, and I needed a size 11.5. So I let that shoe go, and I got this one because I think the color is much more cleaner on this specific colorway. It's not as bright as that blue was, and it's just really nice to have another Yeezy 700 model. The Yeezy 700 is my favorite Yeezy model ever, especially the original colorway. That's my favorite Yeezy of all time. And I do have a few pairs of the 700 V2s, and now I have the 700 V3s in my arsenal. And I've just been going a little Kanye crazy these past few weeks. He's been just dropping, like I said, dope model after dope model after dope model. So the shoe has been going good for Adidas Yeezys lately, and I'm glad to get these in my collection. Overall, they look really nice. They are a really weird looking shoe at first, but I think that's just the interesting thing about the Yeezy brand itself is the unique designs that Kanye comes up with and the futuristic stuff that he has that is different from your normal stuff. So I'm pretty satisfied with how these turned out and how they look. And you guys can see, you have your little lace system right there, and I just can't wait to try them on and see how they are. They are a lot less comfy than the original Yeezy Boost 700s because they don't have the Boost midsole themselves. It has a Ortholite midsole, so they're a lot less comfortable. But I still think on foot, the shoe's gonna look great on your feet. So that is the first pickup that I got right here. And again, it's the Yeezy 700 V3 in the Kyanite colorway. Now I do have one more box to open up, so we'll find out and see what is in this specific box. Opening the second box up, we do have another all over basic cardboard box right here. Nothing too crazy from this box whatsoever. Only thing that you can see right here is it just says a size 11 on the side right here, but otherwise all over cardboard box. And when I open this up, we have something a little different. We have something here that says foam right there, and then you guys already know what that's going to be if you see a cardboard box that says foam. And the shoe we're talking about is the Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner right here, and this is the first time I'm ever seeing this shoe in hand. And it is definitely a very weird sneaker for sure. It does look way out of place, super futuristic, and I'm just laughing because of just how big the shoe looks in person and just how weirdly shaped it is and stuff like that. But in my opinion, this is probably again a great Yeezy design by Kanye, just taking an idea of a Croc and making it in sort of like a Yeezy kind of shape, and especially like a Yeezy 700 shape for sure, and just taking an idea, coming up with something like this. And honestly, it may look a little weird just from me holding it, but on feet, I think these go crazy this summer. This is probably what's going to be rocked every single day, more than likely. And I think they're going to look really dope. And just next, they're probably going to get cracked because nobody's going to notice, or people are going to be seeing this weird ass design, and they're gonna be like, what the hell is that on the feet? So I actually like this shoe a lot, and they did release two colors of this. It was the sand color and the moon gray color. Personally, I like the sand color a lot more because it looked more close to the OG, and you'll probably get more wears out of this. But Yeah, I'm definitely excited to wear this shoe for sure whenever I get the chance. Once it gets a lot more hotter outside, these are gonna get busted out for sure. And these actually came pretty early. I got these from Goat, and it took not that long for them to ship this out. So shout out to Goat for that. And once again, you know, like I said before, I'm going Kanye crazy because I got all these Yeezys on me right now. I've been buying a lot of Yeezys, and bro, if the Adidas Yeezys keeps making dope sneakers like this, I'm gonna be buying. So that's what I picked up for my pickups today. Like I said before, I got 2 Yeezy models, and let me know what you guys do think about the Adidas Yeezy Boost 700 V3 and the Adidas Foam Runner. How do you guys think of these shoes? Do you guys like them? Let me know in the comments below. Also, please again, make sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button for me. I'd really appreciate you guys did that. Also, again, please follow me on all my social media, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, @Hasib_Mian. All that social media links will be on the description below. And once again, guys, I appreciate you for watching today's video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Never see the sun, always see the night.